Hello from Diamond Painting Nerd. If you watched yesterday's video, you'll know that I am back with another Spangler unboxing. It is one of the ones that got released for Black Friday. I know I'm a little bit late to the party with my Black Friday unboxings, but this is what happens when you are ill. So please forgive me, but I'm now getting to doing these unboxings and showing you exactly what we have for these ones. So I ordered, I think there were only two released on Black Friday for Randal. I don't remember there being any more. This one here, I'm going to get it out of the box and then we'll go through everything that is in the kit. If I can shake this out a little. Okay, there we go. There's the sticker. Right, so this one is called Cute as a Button. And as soon as I saw it and the dragling, I just knew that I had to have it. Of course, huge Randal Spangler fan. So I don't bother going through my kits anymore, my toolkits anymore. I will show you the washi and the cover minder that I got. And because this is a square kit, there is also tweezers included. So today's selection of washi is yet another floral. I seem to just get florals in these kits. And as per yesterday's kit, I've got another green macaron. I think I've probably got about 5 or so of these. So if anybody wants a green macaron that's missing a green macaron, which I assume not, because they seem to be in most kits, 2 kits in a row now, I've just opened a green one, then do let me know, because nobody needs 5 green macarons in their life, right? So let's give this an open and see what we are working with. Trying not to rip the bag and keep that adhesive on so I can get this back in. I do store my kits back in their boxes with just the drills, so only with the Diamond Art Club ones. If it's a budget-friendly company, a budget-friendly kit, then I store the canvases separate to the drills. It's just easier. But yeah, the Diamond Art Club ones are stored back in their box, and then they are stored in my garage until I'm ready to work on them. So just going to give this a little roll back on itself to show you. I don't know whether we're going to get this all in shot. I don't think we will, but there is the majority of it, as my desk is not deep enough for most of the Diamond Art Club paintings. So have a little drink. So this one is 45 by 45 centimeters, which is 17.7 by 17.7 inches. Then we have 45 colors on this. So in the kit, we get the little thank you for your purchase. As mentioned in yesterday's video, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, and therefore I have a link for you. If you purchase using that link, you do get a discount off of your first purchase, and I get a little kickback as well. So works for both of us. So please, if you so feel inclined, please use the link to make your first purchase. You will not regret it, I promise you. So we have the sticker sheet here for kitting up. There's 45 colours. And then we have the pack of drills and obviously the little sticker as well. So you can use that on the side of your box, put it in your logbook, whatever you choose to do with that. I showed in my last video, sometimes I use this sticker in my logbook, sometimes I use this one, just depends on the size of this sticker. On this occasion, it will probably be this sticker that goes in my logbook, and then this one will just be discarded when this painting is done. So let's take a little look at the drills. So we have 2 AB colours, then we have 2 fairy dust. I can already see one of the AB colours because it is glinting away at me. So let's have a little look at what we have here. Okay, we've got 2 trains. Nope, we have 3 trains. Okay, so let's start. So this starts with the most amount here, 739. A couple of bags of 301. So if there's more than one bag, they should be next to each other on the train. 471. So here is the first AB, 106. It's like a cream colour. And this kit's in square as well. So sorry, I forgot to mention that. We've got another brown, a 400, a 322, 803, 312. So we have some lovely shading going on with these blues here. Then we have some pink, some more blue, a couple of shades of green, a brown. These greens are going to be definitely used for the dragling. And then we have, what have we actually got in the background? So we've got we've got some books, and there's a clock, and there's a pin cushion, and a needle, not a needle, like a spool of thread. And then there's the buttons you'd expect, the buttons down here, and then looks like it's on sort of a table runner on a table, a wooden table. So these greens are definitely going to be for the dragling, but also there's a green book up here as well. So maybe that. The purple, we've got the purple book here. Then we have some darker green and 550, really nice purple colour, and 938, which is just standard kind of brown. Then we've got a small train here, which we've got 823 and 934, a small amount of 310 in there. Not a lot of 310 in this kit. 718, 3776. Here is the first fairy dust. So it's very, very difficult to show you fairy dust on camera, especially when the drills are all flipped over. So basically there is a glitter coating on top of these drills. Now, if you can see that through the packet, then it'll probably be a miracle. But if I can keep that still, can you see that? There's like a glitter coating. So those are the fairy dust drills. So we've seen one of the ABs, which has the iridescent coating on. And then the fairy dust has the dusting of glitter on top of the drill. So they're 2 different types. Then we have this one here. So these are the smaller bags. So we've got some more green, some orange, which is definitely going to be in his belly here and also up into this book. Then we have some 939, some more purple, some more orange and some blues. We've got 165, which is like a yellowy limey green. Orange, we've got a few hitchhikers in there, skipping from one bag to the other, but that's okay. 947, a super bright orange there. 209, which is a really lovely purple, one of my favourite. 129, which is that lemon yellow colour in an AB. So that's the other AB. 208, 741, 3819, 3608. And then the other fairy dust, a tiny amount, teeny tiny amount. And this is the white, Z762. This is the white in the fairy dust. 3865, which is your white, and then 3855, which is a little bit of a creamy yellow. So I realised yesterday, or for yesterday's video, I didn't actually show you the where the special drills went. So let's move these out of the way, and then I'm going to show you where these accents are actually going to be, or I'm going to try and locate them. So with the ABs, they always are at the top of the grid. So they are, or the top of the legend. So we've got numbers 1 and 2 is what we're looking for the for the ABs, and then for the fairy dust, we're looking for letters A and H. So starting then at the bottom of the painting, we've got some A's in these buttons down here. A's and A's, and then H is like H is white, isn't it? So I'm going to be looking for, and there's not many of these, so I'm not expecting these to jump out at me that obviously. Okay, I can see where the H's are going to be going. So the H's are basically in the pins. So the pins that are going into this pin cushion, you've got the 310. Is that the only place? Oh, no, the 310's up here as well. But yeah, you've got literally just into the pins is the only place that those fairy dust drills are going to go. Let's see if there are any more A's. So we've got the A's in here. There's some A's in the spool of thread as well. So that's going to add some nice shading, or not necessarily shading, that's going to add some nice glitter edge or textural edge to this. And there's also some of those A's in here too. Then we have just a couple of A's in this button up here that he's holding. And I think that's it for the fairy dust drills. Yeah, so it's just the pink and the white in the buttons, in the thread, and also the white in the pins. Then we've got the 2 ABs, so that's 1 and 2. So those are the whites and the lemon yellow. So there's a 2 and a 2 in his eyes. There's 2s, a couple of 2s spread around. There's 2s here, which is really going to help with detailing in his skin. And then we've got, let's see if we can find any 1s. There's no 1s immediately jumping out at me, but then looking at the ABs and the fairy dust, there weren't that many in either, so I don't think it's going to be immediately obvious. Oh, okay, we have some 1s down here. So in the table runner, there are some 1s down here. Yeah, that is mainly, by the looks of things, I think, going to be in this table runner. So they are kind of sprinkled throughout. So that should be interesting to see what sort of detail that gives. And then I've got, yeah, down here, down the side of the table runner again, we've got those ABs. So this should be fun. It's a nice small one. It's a 45 by 45. It is a square, so it will take me a little longer than a round would, but really excited. It's a Randal one. I love the draglings, so I could not resist. And this is number 2 unboxing out 3, because I did choose another one as well. So stay tuned, stay right where you are. Another one will be coming up tomorrow. If you have enjoyed today's video, as always, please give the video a thumbs up. It does help other people find my channel, and if you enjoy watching these sorts of videos, it helps for them find it too. If you have any comments for me, please drop those in the comment section down below. I am working really hard to try and catch up and get through the backlog of comments since I've been poorly, so just bear with me with those, but please keep commenting. Any questions, any comments you've got, I love reading them, and especially when I've got very little else to do, sometimes when I'm not feeling very well, just reading through your comments and reading your support really does mean a lot. So please keep commenting away, and be sure, if you're new to my channel, I'd love you to be part of the diamond painting nerd family. If you are a diamond painting nerd, then hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed, and I will see you all guys again in tomorrow's video for the 3rd Randal unboxing. Have a good one. See you all soon. Bye.